learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Dongshu Forest in Taichung is great for lots of outdoor activities like bird watching and firefly viewing. It's also the island's largest forest bathing area, a term coined by the Japanese for taking a leisurely stroll in the forest. While there, you can see the Taichung Hakka Tongue Blossom Festival and partake in many DIY and sightseeing activities. Or you can visit the historic Chunglong Bridge built from sticky rice by Hakka people. Dongshu is also home to tasty Hakka snacks and condiments like red yeast and kumquat sauce, fermented bean curd, and fried red onions. They're perfect treats to take home.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係廉習小 Joseph Lin. And this month, again, we want to bring you to different places that offer the tongue flower blossom because this month it began and will continue till next month.
对啊，其实就4、5月份就是桐花盛開的季節，所以我們這2個月份大概都可以看到桐花。
I'm sure you've seen a lot of promotions about this, but today let's take you to a city that we're kind of familiar with because just last month we had our Lantern Festival over here, or broadcast from the Lantern Fest.
懷念哈，
是
那我們現
想念啊
在就來去台中吧。
Okay, good. Let's bring back some memories of Taichung. So, 我們去台中哪兒呢？
好，我們來去台中的董司林場。
董司林場，東市。
對，就東市啊。
我現在想到了東市林場。So this is the 東市 forest that we want to bring you to. Now I haven't been to this forest before, so maybe Leo you can tell us what we can do in this forest.
哎呦，東市林場可以做的事情可多着呢。
OK，
我們可以看花嘛，對不對？
是賞花。
那有樹呢，然後就可以看鳥。
賞鳥。
對，
Okay.
然後也可以賞銀。
啊，賞銀？
賞銀百兩，
怪怪的。賞銀子嗎？
不是，對，並不是，我們是去看那個鳳鼹蟲。
哦，你的銀是螢火蟲的螢。
對，是的。
It sounded like silver to me, but it actually meant the firefly. Okay, so a lot of things to do in this forest. I mean, first of all, you can check out the tongue flower and all the flowers in the forest, but also bird watching and to catch some fireflies at night.
沒有燈光的時候，看起來更漂亮。
好 ，Leo 再跟我們講螢火蟲怎麼說啊？
鳳鼹蟲。
鳳鼹蟲 ，Okay, that is the firefly. And then this place again is in Taichung called 東市林場。
董司林場。
董司林場. And when you have time in central Taiwan, go check it out. I'm going to go there again soon because I miss Taichung so much. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.